Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Benazir Hakro, the student of the Department of Business Administration from Sindh University campus Larkana. Viewers, today we talk about on the topic of accounting as a language of business, and this lecture is supervised by Sir Ghulam Mustafa Sheikh. Hello viewers, let's start the lecture. As we communicate with each other, we are using particular languages. For example, right now I am trying to communicate with you, so I am using English as a language. The same way, business also communicate with outsiders like bankers, investors and other parties. In accounting, the language is used in terms of debit, credit, account ledger and its reports like income statement, statement of owner's equity and balance sheet. So business communicate with outsiders like bankers and other parties. That's why we are saying that accounting is a language of a business. Questions are arising here. From first, what is accounting? Why do we need it? What types of accounting are there? So first we have to understand that what is accounting. Accounting is an information science that is used to collect and organize financial data for an organization or individuals. Now let's break down this definition. First of all, we say that accounting is information science. Concerns with analyzing, collecting and organizing information. But what type of information? Accounting, organizing, financial information, it is all about money. It is quantitative in nature and it measures the money. Accounting is not an abstract science. It is much more practical than theoretical. It is one of the saying, you will learn best by doing. The last part of definition says that accounting serves organizations and individuals. How come? As we can imagine that every firm needs to be organized financial information related to its business. A firm has to know how much product was it able to sell, how much it costs to produce the product and how much money it has in the bank. Similarly, an individual needs to be aware of their personal finance. If they pay attention of how much comes and goes out, then may soon be in deep trouble. Accounting is a science that helps us organize and represent the financial information, and it also helps us corporation and individuals understand their finances and make decisions about the future. Accounting helps to use the past in order to take actions in present and change the future. Pretty cool, right? However, there is one more question we need an answer. What types of accounting are there? There are four main areas of accounting. First of all, we have the bookkeeping. Without bookkeeping, we would not be able to do anything because bookkeepers are the responsible for all of the information that is collected and taken into the consideration. Bookkeeping is a fundamental activity as ensuring that financial information has been gathered systematically. And when we have financial accounting, which focuses on the three main statements. Number one, income statement. Number second, balance sheet. Number third, cash flow. It is prepared for companies' ownership, its lenders, financial analysts, and for other external stakeholders. And it is highly regulated, given that the information is prepared for viewing by third-party users and they should be able to read it without having inside information. The fact information is prepared according to a specific set of rules. Vendors incomparable with one information prepared by other companies, which in turn facilitates investors and lenders. The financial statements are prepared according to a uniform set of rules called accounting principles. The aim of these reports is to allow the externals like banks and investors to get at 19 years of your business. How much sales you had? Was the company profitable? How it was financial, and so on. The third type of accounting is managerial accounting. It is well above only for insiders. It is not defined by accounting principles and in most cases more detailed than financial accounting. It contains strategic information that should not be seen by their firm's competitors. Managerial accounting looks into topics like pricing, competitions, marginality, budgeting, and so on. The company does now want to reveal this information to outsiders because other outsiders go prepared a counter plan and gains a teaching advantage. Of course, managerial and financial accounting are often interrelated and it is a frequent practice to reconcile managerial and financial accounting figures. Now the fourth type of accounting is we need to mention tax accounting. This is accounting will determining the amount of taxes that a company has to pay. Tax accounting is a very technical field that varies for different legislation around the world. Now the main and important question is that why accounting is a language of business? Here I gave you the best example of world's richest man, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett attributes his success to being fluent in accounting, which he calls the language of business. When asked by daughter of business associate, she said, "What should I study in college?" Buffett replied, "Accounting." This is because accounting skill help you understand financial information. If you can't read the scorecard, you can't tell the winners from losers. It means you can't score. Says Buffett, financial reporting for Berkshire and Hathaway for me personally is the beginning of every decision that we make around here. I am punching out of 10 Ks and 10 Qs every single day. The 10 Ks and 10 Qs are annually and quarterly financial statement. In last, I am thankful to all of you and especially Sir Ghulam Mustafa Sheikh who gave me the opportunity for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Allah Negeban.